Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change country of residence for your channel in YouTube Studio. Please consider subscribing. Open your browser and search youtube.com. Go to your profile icon. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on Settings. Go to Channel. Here you can select any country that you want. Then you will click on Save to save changes. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.